our second day here in the ryokan. It's actually our last day as well, because we're leaving in like less than an hour. So yeah, yesterday we had a nice bath, which I couldn't take my camera. I was the ended up only being the only person there, Judy as well. So I could have actually taken my camera, but oh well. And then we had the lovely dinner, which you saw the video. And then today we had some breakfast before. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna pack up. We're gonna be driven back to the port by the hotel again, and then just gonna leave our luggage at the accommodation and probably rent a bike and bike around the island, or maybe visit another island. Electric assisted bicycles, and it's so easy. Like, you can drive uphill and it's just like over in a breeze. So yeah, that's something I would recommend. So we are right now going to like a shrine. I saw it on Google Maps before and it looked kind of cool. I thought I would like to fly my drone there, so we're going there. So we just made it to our first stop, which is the shrine you can see behind me, and the wind is blowing like crazy. Like, our bikes almost fell over. And yeah, right now I want to take some photos here. I was thinking about flying my drone, but with this wind I don't think I can control it at all. And yeah, so just gonna be a normal video shoot, I guess. Maybe take a picture of two of Judy and me here, and then we're gonna move on pretty to the coast. There was like a sign before that said like coast, like 2 kilometers away, so yeah, with the electric bicycles it should be pretty quick to get there. So we made it to what is called the Akiya Coastline right now, and yeah, this place is really nice. It was really windy all the way, and I think this one is kind of wind protected, so I should be able to fly my drone. And yeah, wow. So, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but this is like really nice. Red rocks, green vegetation, and then blue sea. So yeah, you're probably gonna see some drone footage of it right now, unless my drone crashes. In which case, you're gonna hear about the drone crashing. So yeah, enjoy the drone footage. here. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and yeah, as I mentioned before, if I crash, you wouldn't see anything, and it almost happened because as I was trying to film like a shot of me standing on this kind of like platform, was I kind of tried to put the drone back, and what happened is it almost crashed into the hill over there. Like I didn't watch the drone while it was flying backwards, and then I just heard like a sound of like razors clipping the grass, and I looked around and the drone was like an inch away from the hill, crashing into it. But yeah, all went safe. I think I got some really cool drone footage. Julie slept for a bit, and right now we are trying to figure out how to get back to the port to bring back our bikes, and yeah, we're gonna find something to eat and then go back to the other islands, and yeah, it's gonna be see you again in the port. I'm going to like a spot over there where I think I can fly my drone from. There was really nice light, like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, but yeah, unfortunately most of that is gone by now by the clouds, but yeah, still gonna try. There's a place I think where I can climb up to get my drone maybe up in the air for just a little bit, get one battery left, and then yeah, probably gonna go back to the hotel, relax a bit, find a place to eat dinner, and think about what we're gonna do tomorrow, because yeah, still haven't really decided. So yeah, but first up, cue some drone footage, hopefully, probably. So but yeah, about the drone, unfortunately the wind was really strong, so I just couldn't bring it up, and then I got it up for 1 minute or something, and the wind was just so strong that it just kept pushing it out into the sea. So I just brought it back, and also almost got attacked by a crow. So yeah, I figured I'd rather not risk the footage that's already on it just to get a good shot. It's unfortunate, but oh well. And yeah, right now I'm just going back to where Julie is. This one is actually like an old samurai residence I stumbled upon. Apparently the Emperor of Japan was once like banished here, and yeah, he used to live here then. Apparently, I don't know, they are not 100% sure about if that is true or not, but yeah, so going back to the visitor center to Judy, because that's the only place we can get Wi-Fi right now. So she's sitting there. Not much else to do today other than go have dinner and figure out what to do tomorrow, but I guess yeah, you will find out in the next vlog. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you tomorrow on wherever we go. We're not quite sure yet, but see you tomorrow.